not ready, so I gotta take something.
You can catch it. Oh my God!
Ben is selling this car.
Is he now?
So comment below. Savage!
Yeah, I'm rolling, Rand. Where are we going?
We're gonna go, let's go take the GT out and let's go test it. They should be done with the fuel pump now, so it should be ready to go. Let's go. Hopefully. What the hell is it, buddy? Oh, shit. They're at lunch. Something's wrong. Hey. Whoa. Misfire? Oh, yeah, it's misfiring all over the place. Yeah. Alright. I got an idea. Hold on.
Randy, where'd you go?
Right here.
Wait, isn't this Ben's desk?
Yeah. Did you ever see this?
No.
The chair. I love this. Hello. This is real. But what's really funny, watch this.
Ooh.
Let's take the black one.
Wait a minute, he has two? Hold on. What?
Because I think the black one works. Let's take them both.
Just in case. You never know with these. You think he's gonna
My
mind?
car's not ready, so I gotta take something.
He did do this to himself, if you think about it.
I agree. A fool in lunch will soon be parted with their Bugatti. So,
You don't want to take this?
no, I thought we'd take that. I woke up in a Bugatti!
Wonder if it'll start.
So cool.
Huh?
It says it's so cool. Oh, it's for me? Thank you. It's from a Bugatti. I'm gonna hold on to this forever.
Oh my goodness, you're right. That's hilarious. You want to get lunch?
Yeah.
Well, McDonald's is right around the corner, if I'm not mistaken. We could go there.
Yeah, let's do it. That makes sense.
Jeez. Reminds me of your turbo. It just has a few more than one or two.
It's got a lot more than that.
Okay, that felt like a
Which way's
spaceship.
which way's McDonald's there?
Oh, sorry, it was. Yeah, hold on.
Now I thought the R34 turbos were good. Wow.
They're really loud.
Oh yeah.
So you're gonna want to make a left now, or excuse me, a right on 67th coming up. So just to remind the audience, just to remind
We're in a
everybody.
Volkswagen.
A Volkswagen?
We're in the ultimate bug. We're in the Chiron.
Remind me what the sticker for again?
I think this was just shy of 4 million altogether, everything in.
Okay. Because why not? Nice carbon. So
Yep, beautiful dry carbon.
I really, really like the red interior.
Yeah, this is my favorite part.
Really like the red interior. So this is a straight shot for a little while.
But otherwise, it's very quiet. It's very civil. You know.
Is that a digital readout for the tachometer?
Yep.
So it's got an analog speedometer and a digital tachometer. I wonder what Bugatti's logic is in that. Okay. You can catch it. My God!
Oh, the windows go up automatically.
Oh, wow.
Wow. It's a hell of a car, man.
I don't think I've been in a car this fast.
And now, probably not.
Because that was like, that reminded me of a roller coaster, I'm going to be honest.
With noise, thank God.
Yeah.
A real engine.
Yes, a real engine. Yeah, but I mean, high horsepower cars, the tires just spin, but that actually, it's scary when it hooks up. That's really, really fast. Taking shortcuts. You gotta do that again. Go get the mic from out here. Okay, listen to this blow off. Here we go, stick this in. It's so loud.
Also, I know that Ben's had a great time with this car. Ben is selling this car.
Is he now?
So comment below if you think for 1 second I'm going to consider buying this car.
So actually, that reminds. So how have these things done in the pre-owned market? Have any even sold? Honestly, I haven't paid attention.
Yeah, they've sold. They've taken a little bit of a hit, but it's not anything horrible. Now, what's interesting to see is if you pulled up in an Aventador and a Chiron, not knowing what they were, who would get more love from like kids?
Lamborghini. The doors go up.
Yep. And it just looks more like a spaceship.
Yeah. This
Now,
yeah,
from a Grand Tourer standpoint, I gotta tell you, these seats are wickedly comfortable.
they are very good lumbar.
Yeah. I love that. Actually feels really good on my back.
How'd you like it?
This thing is like a roller coaster, dude.
1600 horsepower.
Fun?
How many miles was that?
We put on 2 miles.
Well, it was a fast 2 miles.
Oh, it was an incredibly fast 2 miles. I mean, I don't think I've actually ever been in a car that accelerates that fast that's hooked up. I don't recall.
UGR Huracan's like the 2Rs.
Yeah?
will like just completely annihilate this.
But that's when they hook, I imagine, yes?
Well, no, they always hook because they're all-wheel drive. Well, not always. They
Yeah.
spin up to like 130.
I like
and then,
130.
yeah, with all-wheel drive too. Funner to drive.